Okay, so the one that's born today, they were born yesterday, the big ones, but the little ones, the two little ones there, that one I just born like 4 hours ago. This. And they already know how to eat and peck. They're all programmed, instinctive.